Hey everybody, it's your girl DivinelyAyahnna and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, so today I am bringing you a review, a first impression, my opinion of the ItsMyRayeRaye palette from BH Cosmetics. This is her second palette with BH Cosmetics, and unfortunately, no, I did not get to review her first palette, but I am here for the second one and I want to share it with you guys. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Divinely fam, bam. Make sure you subscribe and leave me some love. So let's just get right into it. So here are the items that I'm going to be reviewing and using today, all from BH Cosmetics and of course within the ItsMyRayeRaye collection. Most of the emphasis will be on the eyeshadow palette, but I am going to use her brushes and I'm going to use the gloss and some other BH Cosmetic items to do a complete look for you guys. I absolutely love the palette packaging. It came in this sleeve. It pretty much has an outline of like what the shadows are. It's rose gold. It has ItsMyRayeRaye's logo, BH Cosmetics. It tells you, how many colors are in there, but most importantly, the color is just yum yum scrumptious because this is the Divinely fam color. We love us some rose gold. Rose gold is actually like a fan fave of a lot of people, so I love it. I love it. I love it. When you open it, there's a mirror, and then here are your amazing 15 colors. I feel like you can get a lot of looks from this palette. I mean, the colors are very bright yet very neutral, and then you can definitely mix and match to create different looks that you want. Having the mirror as a part of the palette is definitely dope to me. I have many palettes that don't have a mirror, and I just feel like it's super hard to constantly, for time purposes, to constantly go back and forth, dipping in the palette, looking at a different mirror, dipping in the palette, looking at a different mirror. But because the mirror is on the palette, it just makes it so much more easier on the user. So that was actually a really great attribute to the palette. So the ItsMyRayeRaye brushes came in this amazing box, and on the back of the box, which I absolutely love, which I think this is really great for a first timer if you are trying to learn how to do makeup, or you're just doing makeup on yourself, or maybe you're becoming a makeup artist. I think this is really great, this little diagram here that they offer, and it tells you which each brush is used for. In my learnings and my expertise in doing this, I am recognizing that not only do you need to have the right brush because it is your tool for certain things, but you also should try to practice certain techniques within, the movement of how to apply certain products with your brushes. So that's definitely a tip that you guys want to take if you are trying to perfect in some sort, even if it's just for, doing it for yourself. If you're trying to perfect it, then definitely make sure you're using the right brush and using the right technique when applying the product. And last was the lip gloss, the BH Cosmetics ItsMyRayeRaye lip gloss, which is actually called Rosy Ray, which I think is just so cute because it's rose gold. I think the packaging of this is extremely beautiful. I mean, y'all know I really just don't have much to say. It's rose gold. I accept it. Thanks. The other two items that, pardon me y'all, I am like low-key tired. My contacts are dry because it's like 11 o'clock at night. The other two items that are not a part of the ItsMyRayeRaye collection are the HD brow pencil from BH Cosmetics and the BH liquid eyeliner. So I'm going to try both of these out with these items, with Raye's items, just because I want to see how they look. We're going to start with the palette and then we'll work our way through everything else, and then I'll give you a finished look and my final review on what I actually think about the colors, the pigment, and the application, and the brushes, and the lip gloss. Here we go.
Here guys, you see I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics brow pencil, and I'm loving how smooth it's applying. It's not too thick and dense, especially because I have no hairs at all really, so it is giving me a very natural look. As you can see, it is not a pomade, but it still gives you that defined look as if it was a pomade. So I love that about this pencil. I'm just going to line my underbrow using my Fenty concealer, and I'm using the shade 380. Blending that out a little bit. So I'm starting with the shade Cacao, which I'm using as my transition color, along with her brush number 8. I absolutely love this brush for like a crease brush, and applying the pigment was easy. It was buildable. I felt like the brush did a lot of the work for me. Next, I am using Brick. I'm going to use this for my underbrows, just a little bit lighter. Again, adding layer to it and using that brush number 8 to blend it with the previous shade. Next, I am using a different brush for Canary. Now, the Canary is a matte color, so I felt like it was a little bit harder to adhere to my eyelid, and I did not do a cut crease. There was a lot of fallout with this matte color, and it was just more difficult for me to feel like it was applying evenly throughout my eyelid, but at the same time, the pigment was absolutely amazing. So I just took my time using her brush number 8 and applying that shade. Next is Golden Girl, and I'm just putting this on my inner eye using her brush number 9. This was really popping as well, and I didn't see much fallout with that. Now you see I'm using the BH liquid eyeliner, and this was a little bit tough. If you have a lot of extra skin on your eyes like myself, or hooded eyes, this eyeliner was not user easy, amateur friendly to use. I was really taking my time and trying to make sure that line was straight. Filling it in was much easier, but the initial application was definitely harder. Nonetheless, it still gave me a flawless finish. Next, I am doing my under eyelid with Cacao after I apply my black eyeliner. And here you'll see me apply, okay, I'm crazy. Y'all better ignore that. You see me apply the lip gloss, and I absolutely love how creamy, how moisturizing it was. And last but not least, I felt like I wanted to blend the shades a little bit more, and boom, that's what I did. Added a little bit of glow to the cheekbones, and pow, here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Peace, love, and be divine.